Hey there! Today we're going to tackle an interesting problem that involves formatting currency values in an NS-attributed string. So here's the problem we need to address. We have a text with two different font sizes for displaying currency, and we want to apply a single strike-through line to the entire text without breaking the line where the fonts change. Now let's jump into the solution. The trick here is to draw a path above the labels layer to create the strike-through effect. We'll use a UI Bezier path to draw a line across the middle of the text, and then add a cache shape layer with the specified color and width to achieve the strike-through. This solution involves adding an extension to UIView that contains a function called addCenterStrikeThrough. This function takes in the color and width of the line to be drawn, moves the path to the center of the label, and then draws a straight line across the label's width. Finally, it adds the cache shape layer with the specified attributes to the views layer. And there you have it. By using this method, you can easily apply a single strike-through line to your attributed text without worrying about breaking the line where the font sizes change. Remember, experimenting with different colors and line widths can give you some cool effects, so feel free to play around with it. Alright, that's all for today. If you found this solution helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more coding tips and tricks. Catch you in the next one.